Why? What was the reason? What was the reason?
I'm so glad you called right on time. You must have just read my mind. If we skip the small talk for you now.
Previously with Ayana.
I ain't trying to be your waterfall.
She's packed away to hell. Of course, you got a big ass hair link when you do that.
I literally just had like a whole emotional breakdown. But now I have to unload basically my whole truck and I'll figure it out. So yeah, I'm not gonna go through an emotional breakdown physically, but mentally that's where I'm at. Hey, if you missed my most recent vlog, make sure you go check it out. Now let's get into this one. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Ayana and welcome to my channel. So it's Monday and I'm at the house, which is very unfortunate. Sorry if you hear the background. It's people cutting grass. But usually I'm out on the road. If you watched my last vlog, you will know that my truck is doing the my truck is doing the dash on me, okay? It's slowing me down, and I can count on 2 hands how many breakdowns I've had on this truck. I'm fine, I'm not upset about it. But so today's to-do list is to do laundry, and I need to go shopping for my truck, as in groceries. So let's do that and let's cross our fingers. I got back from Walmart. I got a Walmart haul. There's just stuff that I'll be eating on the road. Mind you, I don't have a sleeper cab, so I can't cook in my truck. And who's about to carry a skillet in and out of hotels? Not me. So, you know, I'm trying to aim for more of the healthy things, but a lot of this stuff is processed and some of it isn't even healthy. But anyway, so I'm not really a big mac and cheese fan, but I got these like 2 weeks ago and they're busting. So I was like, I need to get 2 more. So I got some mac and cheese, and then I wanted to try these. These are more so on the healthier snack side, but this is a lunch on the go. I think this is pretty cool. So it's a chicken salad kit. Comes with crackers, chicken salad, a cookie, and fruit. Yeah, this is actually not bad. The whole thing is 370 calories. That's a good lunch, calorie-wise. Then I got a snack on the go. This is cheesy tuna melt, and then we have another lunch on the run, but this is a tuna salad kit, and this one is 440 calories. I'll be getting this one next time. We want to stick to the low calories. And then I got some lip gloss. Oh, this is a plumper. This is a lip plumper. I never had that before. So we're gonna try it, and then, you know, I said I want to stay away from soda, but I just cannot resist trying this. So we got a Coke Zero, and this is a Dream World Limited Edition, dream flavored. We're gonna try that. And then this is a Coke Zero as well. This is watermelon strawberry flavored, marshmallow edition. Gonna try that too. Okay. And then I got some cosmetic stuff. So in our natural hair community, I'm just seeing this circle back around into the community, and I was like, okay, the girls are saying is giving them hair growth. So we're about to start trying this again and this again, okay? And then I got some face things, some skincare, because the girl has been slacking on her skincare, okay? And then we got some nails, because I want to wear my nails again without breaking them. So there's that. All right, and then my favorite, lime chili. Like I said, if y'all ever eat you a good ramen noodle or whatever, put lime in there. Put some lime juice in there, and it's good. You hear me? It's good. As always, I gotta get my yogurt. Now, your plate didn't have a lot of like low calorie yogurt options. So I went ahead and threw it back. I went back to my childhood and I was like, ooh, we're gonna get some Trix yogurt. And it's only 100 calories. We love that. And then as far as like actual food, obviously I'm not trying to buy all this food at the truck stop, fast food, whatever, do. So I got a lean cuisine. This is a oven fried chicken with mashed potatoes. So basically like a KFC bowl, but the healthier version. This whole thing is only 290 calories. I got 3 of them. Boom. Last me 5 days. I said 5 because I got 2 other ones. So we have a healthy choice, creamy spinach and tomatoes, spaghetti, and then we have a meatball marinara as well. That's food wise. I do still have like a lot of other food things in my truck, which is why I didn't buy a lot of this, but I know I got more like canned soup, SpaghettiOs and stuff like that. I also bought a whole, case of water. It's in my trunk. I'm not gonna carry that in and out. And then I got these V8 sparkling energy drinks. So I'm trying to wean myself off of soda, so why not go for sparkling energy drinks? But let's try this. Let's try it real quick. I'm curious as to what this tastes like. Okay, that's all right. I won't buy it again. Will not buy it again. I'll drink it, but won't buy it again. Let's try this one. I'll drink it, but won't buy it again. Coca-Cola. Stick to your regular flavors, because this ain't it. But anyways, I always say how to drink this. We're going to put this in the fridge. But, yeah, I'm just waiting on a load. Got my clothes washing and stuff I'm going to eat. And I do still need to work out today. So I will do that. But, yeah, I'll catch y'all. What's up? Let me give y'all a little, hey mama. Let me give y'all an update on everything. Back up, girl. No, ma'am. Alright, so, I wasn't able to go to South Carolina to get a truck because the load that I got yesterday, I didn't finish it till around 6 in the morning. It's a whole story behind that. But anyways, they got me another spare truck in Commerce. I'm actually supposed to be in Commerce right now or whatever, but I ended up leaving my wallet at Walmart when I went grocery shopping, and I noticed I didn't have my wallet when I was driving the other day. So I was like, okay, it has to be at the house. It's not at the house. So I drove all the way to Commerce to make sure it wasn't in my truck, and plus I had to get some things out of my truck so I can put it in the spare truck so I can run tonight. And yeah, I called Walmart. They were like, yeah, girl, it's here. I'm like, oh, damn. Mind you, I live an hour away from where my truck is. So that was a 2-hour trip. But yeah, so I'm picking up a load, and it's going to something South Carolina and Florence, South Carolina. I got 2 stops. So yeah, I'm gonna end my day at Florence, South Carolina. Y'all already know, even though I had that whole road situation, I'm gonna just tell them to not put me in that room no more because I'm very comfortable there. Anyways, yeah, so there's that. It's about 8 p.m. I'm gonna leave here around 12, get there at 1, be loaded by 3, and I should be dropping my last stop around 9, 10 in the morning, maybe 8. But I went to Walmart again, so I took out my wallet and I got something to eat. I was so tempted, y'all. So tempted to get some fast food. But you go like, no. No. We're not jumping back into those cycles. So my plan is, like, Monday through Friday, when I'm working or whatever, just, eat good, eat low calorie, do my workout. And the weekend is free ball. Don't even feel bad for it. It's free ball. And, yeah. Oh, yep. Update. So I am down 2 pounds. So when I started this routine or whatever, the new routine, I was at 225 and now I'm at 223. So 1 week and I lost 2 pounds. We love that. But I got me a burrito and then some fruit. Grapes and cheese is like wonderful. I just found that out not too long ago. And y'all know my diet soda that I said I was gonna stop drinking. But I'm gonna eat, I'm gonna chill out until about 12 midnight and then I'm heading back out. Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? So, I'm in a whole nother truck. I'm in a spare truck and it's a Peterbilt and it is so different. Oh my god. And the brake pedal, sheesh, it's different. A lot less space, but let me show y'all my load. Oh boy. This is the Peterbilt. It's cute. You know, it's cute or whatever. So for my first stop, we got a Camry, a RAV4, a Camry, and a Corolla. That's my second stop. My braces, okay. My second stop, that's in Florence, and my first stop is in Tougaloo or something in South Carolina, and that's the Tacoma, the Camry, Tacoma, Camry. So we have a total of 9 units. This truck is an 80-foot truck, so I haven't loaded an 80-foot truck in a minute, so it was like, how do I do this? But yeah, we're about to roll out of here. Oh boy. Yeah, we're about to roll out of here. Yeah. It's like 4:23 in the morning. They have not sent my workflow to this tablet, so I have to call them when they open up. But we should get to our first stop probably like 2 or 3 hours, and Florence is like 4 hours from here. So yeah, let's roll. Let's get this money. Let's get the money. Let's get the money, baby. Dinero. I can still roll my tongue with this thing in my mouth. Dinero. No, fuck, I can do it.
Somebody tell me the answer. Me and you isn't the answer. Me and you isn't. Maybe I'm telling myself that there ain't nothing that'll change that. What good would it be if I knew how you felt about me? It could have been right when I was wrong. Only think about you when you're wrong. Hard to think I can't see this love, and I know that I can't get caught up. We could have been, try to pretend. Thinking about you isn't helping. Thinking about you doesn't tell me what could you do if I decide to face the truth. It could have been right, but I was wrong. I only think about you, only think about you. Only hit me when she's not home, and that's why I can't get caught up. It could have been, try to pretend now and again. You don't dream about, don't think about what we could have been.
What it do, y'all? What's going on? I am back at my hotel. Disregard the last video or the video before that with the roaches. This one don't got roaches, okay? I'm actually about to give me some ice. I went ahead and dropped off my load, and boy, I tell you, dudes are like ruthless. You know what I mean? They're like ruthless. Okay, Homeboy was like, at the second dealer I went to, he was like, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to see you where your hotel, boo, 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 boo. Baby, I don't. First off, I'm engaged. I told you that last time I was there. Why are you still trying to talk to me? Why? What was the reason? What was the reason? What was the reason? Because you don't got a valid one. But anyway, we're gonna get some ice. Hold up. Let me put y'all where y'all can see what I do, okay? But we're actually gonna be heading back to Georgia tomorrow. And my race is up at 11. I might leave at 12. I'm about to do a workout. I'm actually about to do 2 workouts because I didn't work out over the weekend. So we're just gonna double it. Okay. But yeah. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I like the truck. The truck nice. They just need to go ahead and let me keep that truck. That's what they need to do. They need to let me keep the truck. But yeah, after I do these workouts, I'm taking a shower. I'm gonna eat me some good food. And I'm out for the count. You dig? Johnny is actually in South Carolina, but no, he ain't. He in North Carolina. He was gonna try to make it here, but he doesn't like it. It's okay. I like my alone time anyway. But we're gonna go. I'll probably see y'all tomorrow. And we're gonna load up at Commerce, okay? We're gonna do what it do. I wanna squeeze in like 2 more loads before Friday morning. It's Wednesday. But I want to be back home Friday morning. Because your girl's gonna get her hair done, okay? I actually need to call them. I need to book an appointment. All right, I'm done rambling. Okay, I'll see y'all in a second. What's up? It is Thursday morning. Payday. Payday. Run me my coins. But anyways, this is actually gonna be my last load today. Want to be home Friday morning. Just taking it easy this week, I guess. But next week we running hard. We running hard next week. But yeah, I'm in Georgia. I'm picking up a load, just a very small load. I'm taking it to Noonan, and we got 8 units. I'm the only one here right now. But Johnny is actually on his way here, so we are going to be loading together, I guess. But yeah, we're gonna load. We're gonna deliver our loads today, and then we're gonna head home. We're gonna have to spend some quality time together and with the family. Kiddos are coming over. Your girlfriend get her hair done, period. And yeah, finna slay, yeah. But yeah, I'm sorry. But let me say it, don't spray it. Let me get started, and I hope y'all are having a good day. My love, this is all going to one stop. We got a Camry, a RAV4, a Corolla, a Camry, a Tacoma, a Camry. Okay? And then this is Johnny's truck. He has Lexus and Toyota. He's going to Roswell. Say hi, Johnny.
What up?
Oh, look at Johnny.
What up, viewers?
What up, viewers? I am done. We're gonna head out. I think we got about 90 miles. Probably a little more, probably a little less. But yeah. Hey, I'm at Toyota. I'm about to unload. So let's unload. I did not show y'all me unloading because I'm gonna press for time. But I dumped all these cars right here. All good. So now we gotta back out of here, and I thought I would show y'all. Let's see. So how I usually back up, I use the window. that's the best. If you're not loaded, use the window. It's simple. Use the window. We out of here. Yeah. Fun fact, sometimes I have to close my eyes when he drives because he drives fucking nuts. Yes, you do.
I'm a defensive driver.
You drive nuts.
And an offensive driver.
Your ass acting like we got brand new brakes on this bitch.
So I offend and defend people.
What?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'll put this right here.
Hey y'all, good morning. It is Friday, and since you know your girl was on a fitness journey or whatever, I think every Friday I'll show you guys my weight. So let's go ahead and hop on the scale. Wow. Okay. The girl is down weight. Okay. 220.6. We love that. But okay, we're doing good. Okay, Grow It Joe. I see you, girl. We finna hit Grow It Joe this whole year. We finna hit Grow It Joe until we down to 160 or whatever. But anyways, I'm actually, it's about 7 something. I'm gonna hop in the shower and wash my hair. I'm getting my hair done today. Try something new. So, yeah. And then I'm gonna come home and clean up my house because it's a little dirty. It's a little, but yeah. Happy Friday.